What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is currently Monday. I'm wearing my Forky outfit. So next Tuesday, if you check out my channel, I am wearing Toy Story outfits for a week. So I'm currently Forky today and I'm super hot. So I'm sorry about the sweat. But anyway, today is a very exciting day because we live very close to a ton of antique shops and used bookstores in Atlanta. And so today I thought would be the day that I go check them out. And I thought I would take you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you at the first stop. Alright, so the first stop was a fail. They're closed. They're only open Thursday through Saturday. So on to the next stop. I made it to the next stop, Atlanta Vintage Books, and they have cats, so I'm very excited. I am in heaven right now. That was the most awesome used bookstore I've ever been to, like ever. It reminded me of the one I went to in Seattle because they had so many cats. They said they had 5 resident cats and they take care of 4 stray cats, or maybe it's the other way around. There were so many cats, they were so friendly and so nice, and their books were just incredible. They had literally so many amazing books to look at, and their prices were so decent. So here's what I got. The book I got was this Alice in Wonderland golden book. Sorry, I'm doing this in my car, so I can't really show you too much, but it was $4, so very affordable, and so beautiful. Oh my gosh, and I think I might be giving this away soon, so be sure to check out my Instagram because I love it, but I think I'm gonna give it to a good home probably next month. Secondly, I got Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier. I think that's how you say her name. Lily James, my favorite actress, is going to be in the new movie version of this that's going to be on Netflix. So I got it because I do want to read it before that comes out, and it's pretty thick. I didn't realize it was so thick, but I'm very excited, and this one was only $3. I perfectly turned to page 3. $3, so it was a really good price. Okay, so this next one I've actually been to before. It's actually where I bought my rug from, but the prices are pretty expensive, but I'm just gonna come check out what they've got, and I will link all these places down below so you can check them out as well. Okay, so that consignment store was kind of a fail. Sorry, I have some hair in my face. It's kind of a fail. I didn't really have anything vintage, so I went next door to a thrift store called Society of St. Vincent. That one was basically just a thrift store at Goodwill as well, so it didn't really have much vintage, but I'm gonna keep exploring and see what else I can find. Man, it says out on a call. Guess I'll have to come back another day, guys. If it has giant signs, we might be in for a treat. Oh, that sign was fake. The only place here is a fried chicken place. So I guess it's just the building that they use. So I'm just gonna drive around, see if I can find another one. So much for the beautiful sign. There's another one over there too, but that looks completely closed down. There's nothing even in the store. So off we go again. One with the door open. It's a good sign.
don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
You dum-dum, you give me gum-gum.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
100% haunted. Okay, that one's called The Way We Were Antiques. That was gonna be my last one for the day, but I cannot find an open sign, so I'm gonna guess that they're closed. I tried looking on Google Maps and it didn't say anything, and there's no parking over there. So anyway, I think that's gonna be it.
Don't talk about me when